Okay guys, I want to do a little recap of today. Sorry for not having streaming the tape, the video, but we trade actually really nice today, and with the fellas of another country, Spain, um, on my side. We trade on streaming, on Hangouts, and really nice trades today. So let me show you the first one. This was a reversal morning gap, so let me show you what happened and what we think on this one. Okay, this is the 2 minute chart. I love the 2 minute chart, and as you can see, we have this huge gap down on ARE. I mean, this is a pretty expensive stock. It's more than $100, so I didn't like. I break my rules actually a little bit because I don't like to trade these expensive stocks, but the setup was really nice, so I trade a little amount of money, a little size of stocks. So let me show you what happened. I like to trade the first pullback. Okay, so we have the really nice pre-market downside bearish move, and then I like to watch the first bullish movement. The people that think that this is really cheap. Okay, so we have this movement on the first minutes, and after that we have this. On this on this point, I want to short this thing, and actually I shorted. Okay, one 100 101.68 was my average price because the spread was huge, and I talk about that with in the in the streaming chat. Okay, so that happened. It break, and after that we saw this a huge spike to the downside, testing actually 0.34 cents, and that was good, but I never take this. Okay, so then we have a test to the upside, and I said to the guys, I want my stop loss only just above the round level, psychological level of 102. Okay, so I put an automatic stop loss in 102.02. Okay, if that breaks, I don't want to know anything about this stock. But what happened next? We have the test right there, and then we have a pullback. Then we have, I think, this consolidation was looking pretty bullish. Okay, like a breakout formation, and after that we do that. Really awesome. So this is higher lows right there, higher lows. So as I said to the guys, I need to eat my breakfast because I mean here in Mexico is pretty near on the day when the market opens. So I need a quick breakfast, and I put my stop right there, and I said that I want to took all my position in 102. I'm sorry, 101.30. So what happened next? Bam! So I took my position right here. The risk benefit ratio was good, so it doesn't matter if I took my position too soon. Look at this, what happened then, and testing almost the 150. So I mean, I don't care what happened next. So that was a really nice trade, the first one, and I have two strategies. The first one is this with bearish movements on the morning, even if the market is bullish, like today. Look at this, freaking bullish. So great morning on this one, and after that I saw the big ABCD pattern ever. Okay, and let me show you LEDS. Okay, let me show you if the price action, like if we was watching on real time. So after the gap that I said before, I saw the ABCD possible ABCD pattern. So I saw the biggest mover on the day, and this one LEDS was up right here 100%, more than 100%, 130 I think, and I said that I want to trade this ABCD if we saw a correction and then the C level. So for me, I see this And when the stock do things like this, not a higher high, but just a higher low, I said this is A for me. So right now I have to find B, and the other work is pretty easy, right? So this is a higher low, really nice higher low. The price continued to the downside, and when I see this price action, I said to the guys, actually only one guy was on the room, Juan Carlos from Spain, and I said to him, I want to get long on this because I think we find B right here because we are not making higher lows. Okay, the structure of prices are different right now. So for me this is B, and C for me was right here, just above the VWAP. Okay, the VWAP for me is really important indicator, and if we have a ABCD pattern, I like to see a test on the VWAP and the breaking, because it's like something that some of the traders call linear theory. Okay, the VWAP and a breakout formation on the same place is a bigger pattern with great quality. So I took position right here on this spike at, no, I think my average price was 7.42, and from Juan Carlos was 7.52. Okay, so both of us we were in on this stock, and I said to Juan Carlos, I want to take some position if we can break 8 from the first target and then D. Okay, so my stop was on 6.98, and my average only 50 cents of stop loss. So that was nice, and the risk benefit ratio, everything good. And right here we were a little panicking because everything looks like so perfect right here, and then we can't make a new high. So I said to him, it's normal, it's the VWAP, so let's be patient. We have our stop loss, we have everything, and then a huge spike, a huge spike on 8. I took right here the half of my position, and I adjust my stop loss on break even right here. Actually a little more, so it's a risk-free operation from this point on 7.49. I adjust my stop loss, and look at this. We have a test on the VWAP, but was fucking awesome because we never test our stop loss. So that's a really key important thing in both trades, this one and the first one on the gap down. The stop loss is everything, because if you put your stop on 7.50, you will lose money on this one, or not lose money, but you can make this deal right here. So after that we have a huge spiking, we have actually a breakout of a symmetrical triangle, as you can see right here. So we were in the money all this time, and then boom, and just in a couple of minutes go to D, the point D. Remember, A, B, C, and D right here on the high of the day. And this is a really nice short squeezy. So I took my position actually on 9. Actually it break it, so I adjust my stop loss to 9, and in this pullback I took the rest. So that was a 20% from my last target, from my entry point. And look at this continue going up. This is what we need to look every single day on the ABCD patterns. Yesterday the ABCD was not that stronger, so I took before because I only have 10 minutes into the closing bell to make my target on D, but it never happened. I knew it, but in this case was pretty huge. This was a low float stock with huge spread, so we need to be really conscious about that. Look at this, right now we have a spread of 7 cents, so you need to take a small position, but in this case the pattern, you know where is your risk and where is your target. So thank you so much for watching, and if you want to trade with us on the live stream trading, you can send me an email. See you next time.